Again there guys, you need an upgrade for your 200 series to upgrade the head unit. We have a perfect solution for you. You could install it yourself. It's going to give you CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. It's also going to give you pretty much an Android tablet on your dash, so that means you can do other cool things like install off-road maps, put different actually add-ons on, so you can actually hook into an OBD2 scan tool to see your trans temp, handy on a 200 series LandCruiser. You can put tire pressure app on, so you can see your tire pressures coming in. You can hook it into a second camera if you have a camera on your Caravan or something, or that can come into this head unit. The kit comes as a full kit, everything you need to install it. You just need to have pretty much a 10mm socket. It's all plug and play, so you just pull the old plugs out and plug the new ones in. So the install process is pretty easy. If you're comfortable using a socket set, you should be fine putting a head unit in. All the factory options are still going to work, so your factory camera, your steering wheel controls, a USB port. We even do a factory camera update, upgrade, so you can actually put a 1080p camera into the back, into the exact same spot and the exact same plug. It looks the same, it just gives you a very crisp quality. So here we have our unit here. You can see there it quick boots up. We have our steering wheel controls working. These steering wheel controls are actually, we put these in because this car was actually missing them. But you can see you've got all your actual functions, and it looks basically like the factory one, it should look. Sits in there, comes with the whole fascia in the kit. Everything's quite easy to install, just pulls out. The unit itself can be treated like a tablet, like an Android tablet, so you can actually do things directly on this head unit. So again, a great upgrade for the 200 series, because you can put off-road actual maps on here. You can have a dash cam integrated into here, tire pressure coming onto here. You can have your Caravan camera coming in. You've got your car scanner for your OBD2 to get your trans temp in and whatnot. You can go on YouTube. The actual unit can take a SIM card, so you can actually hook in here with a SIM card, or you can even actually hook this unit up to Starlink or whatever you got going on if you're touring. You can use dash cameras too, and they can be viewed on here, so that is all pretty awesome. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto will come up on here, so this is where people will live 90% of the time. You'll jump in your car and your phone will probably hook up within about 10 to 15 seconds, and you'll have your CarPlay and Android Auto coming on here, which will give you your actual maps, Spotify. You can do SMS and your calling. And the cool thing is when you can say, "Hey Siri, call John," or I don't know, "Hey Siri, directions here," or "Hey Siri, send a text message to John." So it gives you hands-free operation on here, which is pretty awesome. It has quick boot. You would have actually seen at the start how quick it booted up. So you can see the camera's actually looking pretty good on here. This might have an upgraded camera already because that looks quite good quality. We have a dual rocker panel port in the kit there, so you get a pass-through USB and a quick charge port, and we have the external mic up here, so you get good quality microphone coming in. So there you have it, 200 series upgrade. So you can see there we have wireless CarPlay all happening. Like I said, this will do your music, your maps, text message, calling. It's where you'll sit a fair bit of your time. Again, it can't do it's a bit warm today. It can't do everything, so that's why it's handy when the actual unit itself can be an Android tablet alike. And this was the car scanner thing I was talking about before. So you can actually hook up to this. I haven't hooked this up yet, and you can see your actual gauges and things that come through on your head unit. We have a few videos on that. So that about covers it really in the 200 series here. Great upgrade to do, easy to install yourself. 200 series is great cars. This specific model will suit 2015 to 2022. I think that's sort of when they stop. Basically, if you've got these shape aircon vents on the side and you have this style AC with no knobs are down here, then this head unit will suit you. It's pretty much the GXs, or maybe not the GXs because they could be the old shape, but the GXLs and the VX and the altitudes. If you've got different shape vents here, and like, you know, you need a different like actual model because you have the older style interior. And if you've got two volume knobs down here, that means you've got the high-end Sahara with the built-in amp and stuff, and you'll need our T-Series unit to get that all happening. So that is about it, and that is this head unit here in the 200 series, and that sort of covers how you upgrade your head unit on this car and what it can do.